Vice Versa. I'm doing the best to save my people. Like the people and I rely on God. Make sure everything that you know thought was good was really bad. Everything bad was really good. What if heaven was on earth, nigga? The whole world, vice versa, good is bad. Vice versa, bad is good. Hell on earth, nigga. This shit here goddamn go on and on. Better get your motherfucking fat ass blunt of that throat and smoke this shit. It's all vice versa. Look up in there and nigga, we rich, nigga. This is what we doing, it's vice versa. I know all these real motherfuckers gonna feel this shit, Pastor Troy. If I tell her how it is. Yeah. Yeah. Whatever happened was hell, vice versa. If I told you to go to hell, would you know I cursed you? I reimbursed you with the truth, so you know it's my fate. And I pray I die, I'm the nigga they love to hate. I wanna make you use your mind, got a sense of sign. And when you listen to all this rhyme, nigga, take your time. And I ask again, heaven was hell, and vice versa. When you start doing evil in order to nurture spirit of man, do you understand that there's a war raging on? Devil gone, some ammo too, don't get me wrong. Put my trust in the Lord, I'm so corrupt. Know that God gonna help me blow him up, I give a fuck. Heaven was hell and vice versa. I have no fear, I don't wait, it's too much hell right here. Let me over here, recall the beer I had to pour. For all our niggas, hit the devil with the 44, payback nigga. My liquor keep me from trying to enter battle alone. To deal with all this wickedness, I smoke a zone. No, I'm grown, but I'm still a baby. Vice versa, I guess beg Satan to save me. God, I'm confused. Confused of all these motherfuckers making me sick. Virgin Mary never fucked nobody, but she sucks dick. With a clique of nasty concubines and vice versa. So she'll probably do the whole nine, that nasty hoe. I don't know where I'm going with this Christmas. Satan's birth, I'm trying to smoke a pound of weed, ease the earth. Well, Jesus equipped with angels, the devil's equipped with fire. God so loved the world that he blessed the thug with pride. Won't you stop until you feel me? Protect me, devil. Think the Lord's trying to kill me. It's vice versa. Heaven is below while this dozer keep me high. See the Lord Almighty, nigga, I'm ready to die. My people, for any questions asked, the devil made me do it. Who's the devil, may I ask? It's so polluted, uprooted from all this stupid shit. See me cremated, my adapted to decline. I'm so glad I made it. Elated, they gon' go to heaven, but they know heaven may not be the place to go. Again, I ask, heaven was hell and vice versa. The devil's in me, I'll be goddamned if I let God hurt you. Follow me. Where we gon' go when we die, people? Yeah, I don't know. I'll tell you this though, wherever I go, I'm gonna walk in with my head held high. No regrets for my life. No regrets for my life. 'Cause I'm a real motherfucker till the day I die. Yeah.